Hi Prescott family, it's another tip from John Van Winkle at Finley Super Prescott. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm going to talk about the Outback and what do I do if my hands-free power liftgate doesn't work. So let's explain how that works. So on the cars with the power liftgate, they have what's called the hands-free option. And the button for that is going to be located right down here on the left side of the driver, and it's this third button here. See how you can see the white? That means it's on. If it's pushed in, it's off. So you want to make sure it's on. And when it's on, you come to the back of the car. You have to have the key fob with you, and the car needs to not be running. So you come back here. The sensor is inside the super symbol. And what you do is you hold your arm, hand 1 or 2 inches away, and once it beeps, you move, and it will automatically open. You don't wave, you don't run by it, and if you stand too long while it's beeping, it won't open. So you want to make sure you move once you hear a beep. So I'll show you here. If I come up and I keep not moving, see, it stops. So if you want it to open, you come up, arm or hand, and move once you hear a beep. Hope that helps. Have a great day.